students. Now we will start our topic, that is moving things around us. Beta, you see number of things around you that are move, that maybe move around the 6 point fixed point, or maybe move straight on the road or on your roof, that will be move straight. Some have rotatory motion, just like the person or anything start from one point, after rotation come at that point again. Beta, you see the moving object in wall clock, that is pendulum, that will be moved just like to and fro movement, pendulum, like this. Then you have see some motion that is known as periodic motion, that is done after fixed time, like day and night. At fixed time night will be start, and at fixed time day will be start, that is 24-hour complete. Clear? Better motion of earth, that complete in 1 year, that is 365 days. Clear? Or you see number of things around you that are moving. Better in pictures you see moving person, moving cars, moving other thing in your room. In the summer day, moving fan, either the ceiling fan or table fan, or moving fan in cooler, exhaust fan, all are moving. Clear? Better you will move on the ground. You see Activa, vehicles, motorcycle, car on the road that are moving. You see aeroplane that is moving in the sky. In birds also moving in the sky. Animals moving on the road, just like this. All are the moving objects. Better, but all the movements are of same kind. All the movements are of same kind. Answer, no. Different things move differently. Better on the turn, car will turn like a curve. On the straight path, car moves straight. Better fan, if you see fan carefully at the time of moving, better fan will move around a fixed point. Fan will move around a fixed point. This is the fixed point, fan move around this, like this. Clear? So on the basis of movement of different things, we have different kinds of motion, different types of motion. First of all, translation motion. Better translation motion. What is translation motion? Translation motion means the motion in which whole body move. In which whole body move from one point to another. The translation motion is the motion in which whole body parts move through same distance in same time. That means whole body start from one point, move to the another point, complete body parts, all the body parts move, and they cover same time because whole body move from one place to another. Better this type of motion, translation motion, is divided into two parts, rectilinear motion or curvilinear motion. Rectilinear motion means body can move along the straight chain, linear, straight chain. Just like a car moving on straight road. Car moving on a road straight, that is known as rectilinear. Car travels straight on the road. But if road is curved, then what happen? Better car is again curve along the road. So if car move along the curve is known as curvilinear. Better that is known as curvilinear. That means what is translation motion? A type of motion in which all parts of the body move from one point to another in that covers same distance in same time. Clear? Beta, it is rectilinear or curvilinear? Rectilinear, when a body move along a straight line path. Body move along a straight line path is known as rectilinear motion. Or curvilinear, when the body move along the curved path. When body move straight path, that is rectilinear. Beta, body move on curved path. Body, this is straight, but it is curved path, so body move on the curved path is known as curvilinear motion. Now, rotatory motion. Beta, what do you mean by the rotatory motion? Rotatory motion means every body part will rotate around the fixed point. Rotatory motion is the motion in which every point of the body move. Every point of the body move around a fixed center or center of axis. Beta, best one example is fan. Okay. Now bicycle, axle of bicycle, pedal of bicycle will be rotate around the fixed point. You will pedal the bicycle now. Left pedal, right pedal, both will be rotated by you. Beta, these pedal will rotate around fixed point, around one point. That is known as rotatory motion. Example is ceiling fan, exhaust fan, etc. Table fan also. A type of motion in which every point of the body move around a fixed point or axis of rotation around a circular path. Along the circular path is known as rotatory motion. Beta, in which circle remain fixed. You will see the fan in which the fan of the room in which you are sitting. Beta, it have 3 blades. And you switch on the plug, it will start to rotate. Its radius remain same, but it will rotate around a fixed point. That type of rotation is known as rotatory motion. That type of motion is known as rotatory motion. Now circular motion. Beta, circular motion or rotatory motion, both are different things. In case of rotatory motion, you have a fixed point. But in case of circular motion, body will start to move from a point, and after movement, it will come back to its original position. Beta, it will come back to its original position. When the body come back to its original position, that type of motion is known as circular motion. The movement of body along a circular path, not a fixed point, along a circular path, and body reaches back to its original position from where it starts. Body will come back to its original position. That is known as circular motion. Beta, example, movement of earth around the sun. From the 1st January, movement of earth will start, and after complete year around the sun it will rotate, and with rotation it will come back to its original position. Or you can say you are going to school from your home. After schooling, when school is over, you will come back to your home. Start from home, come back to your home. That is the circular motion. That is the circular motion, but we need circular path. From school to home or home to school, there is no circular path. So that type of motion is not circular, that is reversible. But if it will consider circular path, you will, this is home, this is school. If you are going to home to school, beta, home to school like this, and then school to home like this, it is circular motion. School to home, home to school, school to home, home to school, straight line. Then translation motion. Clear? Oscillatory motion. Beta, oscillatory motion means टू एंड फ्रो मूवमेंट, बैक एंड फोर्थ मूवमेंट. बेटा टू एंड फ्रो मूवमेंट और बैक एंड फोर्थ मूवमेंट, that is just like pendulum. Beta you see pendulum in wall clock. Pendulum in wall clock move like this. Or you will do the experiment. You took a small piece of stone, bind with thread and pick like that. This is thread, this is stone, and you will start pick up the stone and move here and then leave. It will move like this. जितना इधर उतना ही बेटा वो उधर मूव करेगा. दिस टाइप ऑफ मूवमेंट, टू एंड फ्रो मूवमेंट, इज नोन एज ऑसिलेटरी मूवमेंट, पेंडुलम ऑफ क्लॉक. और चिल्ड्रन स्विंग ऑन द सीसो. इन सीसो टू स्टूडेंट्स विल सिट लाइक दिस. दिस इज द फिक्स पॉइंट. वन अप, second down, second up, first down. This is seesaw movement. That is oscillatory movement. That is oscillatory motion. Now periodic motion. Beta, in case of periodic motion which repeat itself after regular interval of time. Just like when you are going to school. You are going to school from 6 o'clock to 2 o'clock. At the 6 o'clock, school van will come. You are sitting and start to move. After 2 o'clock, you are sitting in the van. It will come back to your home at 3 o'clock. This movement is known as periodic movement because this type of motion will occur after regular time interval. Clear? You can say Earth completes its one round around the sun in 1 year. That 1 year means fixed time period. Clear? Now non-periodic movement. Beta, all the movement you see in your surroundings, 90% movements are non-periodic movement. Just like beta, you are going to playground. You are going to see some pictures. You are going to your friend home. डेली तो नहीं जाते ना आप, ऐसा वीकली चले जाओगे, 2 दिन के बाद चले गए, 3 दिन के बाद चले गए, जब मन किया तभी चले गए. इसमें कोई टाइम पीरियड फिक्स नहीं है. जब टाइम पीरियड फिक्स नहीं है तो वो हो जाएगा नॉन पीरियोडिक मोशन. दैट इज नोन एज नॉन पीरियोडिक मोशन. नाउ another one is the uniform motion. What do you mean by the term uniform motion? Beta, uniform motion is the motion in which anything cover equal distance in equal time period. Uniform motion, a body is said to be in uniform motion if it covers equal distance in equal time interval. It covers equal distance in equal time interval. That is known as uniform motion. And another and last one is the non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion means body does not cover equal distance. Suppose a car is moving 10 kilometer in 10 minutes. After 20, again 10, 30 minutes, 10 to 20, 10 kilometer, 20 to 30, 10 kilometer, 30 to 40, 10 kilometer. Equal distance in equal interval of time. But the same car is moving due to any factor. Beta, first 10 minutes it will cover 15 kilometer. Another 10 minutes it will cover 5 kilometer. Another 2 kilometer. That means it is not fixed. It is up and down, decrease or increase. That means it do not cover equal distance in equal time interval. Clear? That type of motion is known as non-uniform motion. That means we have different type of motion: translation motion, rotatory motion, circular motion, oscillatory motion, periodic motion, non-periodic motion, uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Better translation means whole body will move from one point to another. That whole body covers same distance in equal time. Clear? Then rotatory motion, motion around a fixed point in circular path. Circular motion, body move around circular path and come back to its original position. In rotatory motion, original position is not required, but in case of circular motion, original position must be required. Then oscillatory, oscillatory means to and fro, pendulum. Clear? Then periodic motion means the motion occur after regular time interval. Non-periodic motion occur but time interval is not required. Uniform motion, equal distance in equal time interval, and non-uniform, that is do not require equal distance in equal time interval. Time interval remain equal but distance is not equal. Thank you.